But wait, there's more. An in-flight discount of 25% on in-flight purchases and up to $25 cash back on in-flight purchases. All in all, a $1,500 value for the incredibly low price of $1. I will have a handful more at the door as you deplane here in Dallas. And to give you an idea where you can take 50,000 miles and go, I will briefly read your connecting gate list. Remember, redemptions start at 7,500 miles each way. Today we are using gate Echo 34 Alpha. For those be going to Aspen, Colorado, Rocky Mountain High, Echo 38 Bravo. The capital of the Lone Star State, Austin, Texas, Charlie 7. Home to the Cardinals, Bloomington Normal, Illinois, Bravo 48. The Queen City of Charlotte, North Carolina, Charlie 12. The only U.S. city located north of Canada, Detroit, Michigan, Delta 37, and that flight has been delayed approximately 1 hour and 4 minutes to 2:21. Fargo, North Dakota, Bravo 3 Alpha. In Pure, Michigan, Grand Rapids, Michigan, Alpha 21. In Colorado, Grand Junction, Bravo 22. Houston Intercontinental will be at Alpha 9, and that flight has been delayed approximately 1 hour and 29 minutes to 2 o'clock. Jacksonville, Florida, in the Sunshine State, Alpha 36. Across the pond, London's Heathrow at Delta 25 Alpha. Home to Hollywood, Los Angeles, California, Bravo 6. Home to Sun Records and Graceland, Memphis, Tennessee, Bravo 19. In the Sunshine State, Miami, Florida, Alpha 29. Midland, Texas, here in the Lone Star State, Bravo 2. Monterey, in Mexico, Bravo 43. The next two are for the Music City of Nashville, Tennessee. Flight 1100 at 12:34 will be at Alpha 25, and Flight 2126 at 1:55 will be at Bravo 18. The Big Easy, New Orleans, Louisiana, Bravo 44. The Big Apple, New York's John Fitzgerald Kennedy, Alpha 39. Newark, New Jersey, in the Garden State, Charlie 15. Ontario, California, Delta 22. The next two are for the Home to Disney World, Orlando, Florida, Flight 2713 at 12:37, Alpha 9, Flight 2117 at 2:42, Charlie 21 to Orlando. The City of Brotherly Love, Philadelphia, PA, Charlie 24. The capital of the Tar Heel State, Raleigh, North Carolina, will be at Charlie 10 and has been delayed 10 minutes till 1 o'clock. Home to the Great Salt Lake City, Utah, Alpha 18, and that flight has been delayed approximately 13 minutes to 1:45. Remember the Alamo at San Antonio, Texas, that'll be at Charlie 8, and that flight has been delayed 21 minutes to 1:30. San Jose, California, Bravo 16. Sarasota, Florida, in the Sunshine State, Charlie 20. Tampa, Florida, will be at Alpha 22. Tokyo, Haneda, will be at Delta 25 Alpha. And last but not least, Toronto, in the province of Ontario, is Pearson International, Charlie 24. Thank you again for flying with us today, and welcome to Dallas.
hear his name.
How do you not know who that is? You're done. Jane's gonna make sure of it.
I heard Robin because you said we were talking about
I'm thinking Red Robin when I hear his name.
This dude, you've never seen Robin
Nope.
Redford? What?
No, and the only time I saw him was this morning when I looked him up. It's like, still no. I looked at his IMDb or IMDb, whatever it's called.
The Way We Were,
No,
Out of Africa.
no. Keep going.
All was lost. I saw that. He's in Captain America.
No, haven't seen that
He played
either.
the bad dude. Keeps trapping. Lions and
Any of these. None of these would have been on my radar.
Charlotte's Web. You had to see
Okay,
Charlotte's
what
Web.
was he though? Was he the pig?
Well, it's an animated movie, so
Yeah, that's one
You
like,
don't see
okay.
He was.
Well, Reba was in there. I know who Reba is.
Did he direct it?
Exactly. There he is.
Oh, he played Ike Horse.
So he was an animal. Continue.
He's in the old Great Gatsby.
I might have seen. I think maybe it's cool we just watched that.
In Endgame.
No. So the only possibility is the older or the original Great Gatsby.
He bought Sundance.
Oh really?
And named it Sundance based off of Butch Cassidy, the Sundance Kid. We're
So
going.
nothing to do with the film festival.
Yeah. We're going there.
We are?
Yeah. We're going to
are
Sundance.
you gonna ask your driver?
That's what I was like. Okay, Jane.
I'm your driver.
I know you are. We're going to Sundance.
Alright,
I mean, I think we are, right? That's where the owl bar is.
okay.
That's where.
I saw something to do with
the owl
Sundance,
Alright,
bar.
fine.
but I didn't know if that
I'll
was.
still take you there.
But Nick
Just be late.
Nick is going on a hike there at Thursday, which I wish we could.
Friends were like, are you gonna go hiking on this trip? I was like, it's a business trip. Like,
But yeah.
I don't sell outdoor equipment, so no.
Alright folks from Flight Deck, welcome to Dallas. We're just short of the gate, the seatbelt sign's still on. We ask you to stay in your seats so the seatbelt's fastened until we reach the gate and the light comes off. Ground personnel will get in position now. We'll have you on the gate shortly. We appreciate you choosing American Eagle. Thanks, and sit back, relax. We'll have you on the gate soon.
This is what happened last week.
Dinner at Sundance. Boundary Grill.
Where were you seeing the owl bar?
That was there in the kitchen.
You were looking on Friday, weren't you?
Wait.
There's a tree.
Here. The owl bar. Travel to Sundance. That's tomorrow.
Yeah, so we have to do karaoke tonight. Yeah, that's the only part. Me neither.
So when do you want to go with this? Right now?
Yeah,
Want to miss that?
you can fly the plane, just take me there and I'll parachute out.
Just parachute.
Always wanted to go skydiving.
I didn't know this was going to be that big of an adventure.
Why don't they be
Always
four
wanted to
places
go
immediately?
We're going to look at some houses, eat some food.
I'll just
Skydive.
I'll go to Sundance and I'll just go to another plane again. I'll just aim for like literally.
Just say you need to film content. I need to go get some content.
Guy, it's Sundance.
I didn't bring my drone, so I have to become the drone. Whatever. So anyway, so what's happening? So I was telling Nick when right before we started working on the film spec, when I get to finish and we don't sell before it finishes, it might be a great opportunity for your architectural designer to get some inspiration. Do a little residency there.
You guys listen this weekend? You guys listen to the Cops back this weekend?
I had no idea that was happening.
Well, that doesn't surprise me.
Yeah, it's the most expensive house is.
Your checked bags will be transferred to your next flight or taken to the baggage claim area if this is your destination city with us. Your valet tagged bags with red or yellow tags may be retrieved plainside in the jetway. Please stand to the right. Your valet bags will be placed on the left. This will allow other customers access to enter the terminal. Refrain from smoking until you have reached a designated smoking area. Thank you for flying with us.
This one is he literally was like, she's just based on I don't care, I want to do it. Because he doesn't care. He's never going to go down. He might let the tunnel from the office.
Are you going to make a car lift or something down there or something?
Are they going to refinish it?
No, like they're going to have it all, like not all finished now, but he's going to do bedrooms and all that down there. That's what I'm going to have a little.
Call them. They had a house in Scottsdale. I think they had a climb like that, and they just made it a car lot with a lift.
Oh yeah.
Drive your car.
The main floor has 7,100.
Well, let's try to get everything we can get done. I don't understand why we need everyone.
He was like, I want some storage. Just my own thing. I was like, sir, you're going to have about 4,000 square feet of storage. Don't you worry.
We'll lease it out.
Don't you worry.
You could just live down there. Nobody ever know.
Yeah, that's what Jordan and I were saying back when we were working with the whites in the crowd. They wanted to outbuild it.
Are they still building?
They are, but they keep pushing their timeline further and further back. So
You have another whites.
Yeah, I'm aligned to you. Let me try to figure out.
we have them going
Which
on
one's
at
going to
the
get
same
done first?
time.
And I
Well,
will.
MLB, I hope. They've already started.
I'm sorry for cheaters.
Consider we started framing it in January. It's still
I drove by it over the weekend. I drove by it over the
Is it so
weekend.
big? Is it because it's so big or it's just getting delayed?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm kind of like, I've discovered that like, no matter how many people come to us asking if we can build their house, that we have a big capacity. Like we can.
Teeter will be doing it.
No one. No one's walked through.
I'm excited to see teachers.
Crazy. I drove by it.
All right, let me sit down and figure it out. We've got to figure it out.
But I told everybody else, like,
Get it implemented. Ran through. You get the little display. We didn't get the
yeah, let's
It kind of changed. Every cop in the neighborhood just changed. Everybody's property taxes.
that one was what, 2, 3?
I'll talk to you.
Grab above you so you can go ahead.
Go ahead. Oh, thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Anyone waiting on belly bag? Just send it behind the wheelchairs on your right side.
And I'm in A.
哦，你要在这等。
Gotta take the tram.
哦，OK OK。
And it's already
Maybe they'll wait. Yeah, it started boarding
是。
5 minutes ago.
That's why I do not trust connections.
I know. I hate it.
I always just plan it to park myself,
Yeah.
do some work, and eat a meal, and then go.
I know Dallas here. I live outside of I just commute down to Fort Worth.
所以不是在那个哦，因为我们还没有拿托运行李。 哎，因为很累，刚刚喝了那个可乐，我都有点负担，因为怕待会。哦，是。
I could be based in Dallas, it's not too far of a commute for me, and live about some acres. We have horses, so it's really California.
know you're on this flight, brother. Where are you headed? Austin, nice. Georgetown?
Doesn't make a very key.哦，我还先去洗手间。好像有说我们是在第几个 gate？ 我们会在这等多久啊？哦，是的。25，我们应该都一起的呗。先去洗手间。对。哇！啊！好闷啊，在飞机上啊。对啊。啊？对啊。哎呀，其实他给我们升级。sorry。哦，对啊。拖雷。哦好。